The M SANMERSEN 37-key piano keyboard is designed for beginners, offering an impressive range of 200 rhythms, 200 tones, and 50 demos that enhance your learning experience. Equipped with a built-in 1200 milliampere-hour rechargeable battery, this keyboard provides portability and convenience with up to 6 to 8 hours of playtime on a single charge. An LED screen enhances the user experience by clearly displaying the current settings, making it easier to navigate through the keyboard's functions. The inclusion of both headphone and microphone modes ensures that you can practice privately or sing along, with the keyboard's high-quality speakers delivering beautiful stereo surround sound. This versatile keyboard features multiple modes and functions such as tempo control, volume control, transpose, and a teaching function, making it a comprehensive tool for musical exploration. Its lightweight design and dimensions make it an ideal choice for those who need a portable solution without sacrificing functionality or sound quality.